Om Sai Ram. Let's meditate today on the glorious form of the Lord, who is in the form of light in front of us. As we meditate, let's bring the body, the senses, and mind under control. To bring our body under control, let's sit straight with both hands resting on our knees and bringing the thumb and index finger together, symbolizing our union with the Lord. Observe your breath, and as you do, repeat the words So Hum in your mind. As you fill your lungs with air, breathe in the word So, and then breathe out Hum, reminding you of its meaning, God I am. Now, visualize a lit candle in front of you with a gentle flame. Look on the flame steadily for some time. Now close your eyes and try to feel the flame inside you, between your eyebrows. Let the flame slide down into the lotus of your heart. As it enters the heart, imagine that the petals of this lotus unfold one by one, bathing every thought, feeling, and emotion in the light, and removing darkness from them. There is no space for darkness to hide. Imagine the light becoming wider, bigger, and brighter. Let it pervade your hands. Now you can never indulge in dark, suspicious, and wicked activities. These hands have become instruments of light and love. Move the flame slowly down to your feet. This light shines bright in your feet, ensuring that they take you to good places. Let the flame rise up and fill your stomach with this divine light. The light moves over and fills your back and your shoulders. Now, your body is filled with light, which gets brighter and brighter. Take this light to your eyes. As this flame shines bright in your eyes, you will see only what is good. Slowly, take the light to both of your ears and purify them, so that they hear only what is good. Take this light further to the region of your mouth and keep it on your tongue, and be blessed to always speak the truth. And finally, bring this light up to your head. There, the light transforms into a crown, enshrining and covering the head. Let your head be soaked with light, allowing all negative thoughts to flee. Imagine this light in you intensify. Let it shine all around you, and let it spread from you in ever-widening circles. Imagine this flame burning bright within all the members of your family. Imagine this flame burning bright in your neighbors, in the people of your locality, and in your friends and relations. Imagine this flame enveloping your enemies, all strangers, trees, animals, birds, the entire world. Stay in this moment and enjoy the beautiful light permeate the world with love. God, in whichever form you favor, is now no different to this all-pervasive light. This light is God. God is light. Now, when you're ready, slowly open your eyes and enjoy the bliss.
साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ 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 साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्।
वन्दे उमानन्दनं गजाननं वन्दे उमानन्दनं गजाननं वन्दे उमानन्दनं गजाननं वन्दे उमानन्दनं गजाननं सुरमुनिसेवित सुमुख गजाननं सुरमुनिसेवित सुमुख गजाननं सुरमुनिसेवित सुमुख गजाननं सुरमुनिसेवित सुमुख गजाननं वन्दे उमानन्दनं गजाननं वन्दे उमानन्दनं गजाननं विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक सिद्धिविनायक पाहि गजाननं सिद्धिविनायक पाहि गजाननं सिद्धिविनायक पाहि गजाननं सिद्धिविनायक पाहि गजाननं वन्दे उमानन्दनं गजाननं वन्दे उमानन्दनं गजाननं सुरमुनिसेवित सुमुख गजाननं सुरमुनिसेवित सुमुख गजाननं वन्दे उमानन्दनं गजाननं वन्दे उमानन्दनं गजाननं विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक सिद्धिविनायक पाहि गजाननं सिद्धिविनायक पाहि गजाननं सिद्धिविनायक पाहि गजाननं सिद्धिविनायक पाहि गजाननं वन्दे उमानन्दनं गजाननं
गुरु बाबा गुरु बाबा गुरु बाबा गुरु बाबा गुरु बाबा गुरु बाबा चरण नमोस्तुते गुरु बाबा चरण नमोस्तुते गुरु बाबा चरण नमोस्तुते गुरु बाबा विद्यादायक गुरु बाबा विद्यादायक गुरु बाबा विद्यादायक गुरु बाबा विद्यादायक गुरु बाबा शांत स्वरूपा गुरु बाबा शांत स्वरूपा गुरु बाबा प्रशांत स्वरूपा गुरु बाबा प्रशांत स्वरूपा गुरु बाबा गुरुवर गुरु विद्यादायक गुरु बाबा,
विद्यादायक गुरु बाबा,
शांत स्वरूपा गुरु बाबा,
शांत स्वरूपा गुरु बाबा,
गुरुवर गुरुवर गुरु बाबा,
गुरुवर गुरुवर गुरु बाबा,
जय गुरुवर गुरुवर गुरु बाबा,
गुरुवर गुरुवर गुरु बाबा,
गुरु बाबा गुरु बाबा।
शारदे जय शारदे, वाग्विलासिनि शारदे,
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 शारदे जय शारदे, विद्यादायिनि 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 शारदे,
शारदे जय शारदे, वेदमाता 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 शारदे,
वेदमाता शारदे,
वेदमाता शारदे,
वेदमाता शारदे,
वेदमाता शारदे,
शारदे जय शारदे, वाग्विलासिनि शारदे,
शारदे जय शारदे, वाग्विलासिनि शारदे,
शारदे जय शारदे, विद्यादायिनि शारदे,
शारदे जय शारदे, विद्यादायिनि शारदे,
शारदे जय शारदे, वेदमाता शारदे,
शारदे जय शारदे, वेदमाता शारदे,
वेदमाता शारदे,
वेदमाता शारदे,
वेदमाता शारदे,
वेदमाता शारदे, शारदे जय शारदे,
वाग्विलासिनि शारदे।
दीनानाथा शंकरा,
दीनानाथा शंकरा,
दीनानाथा शंकरा,
दीनानाथा शंकरा,
करुणा सागर शंकरा,
करुणा सागर शंकरा,
करुणा सागर शंकरा,
करुणा सागर शंकरा,
पर्तिपुरीश्वर शंकरा,
पर्तिपुरीश्वर शंकरा,
पर्तिपुरीश्वर शंकरा,
त्रिपुरीश्वर शंकरा
भोलानाथा कैलासवासा
भोलानाथा कैलासवासा
भोलानाथा कैलासवासा
भोलानाथा कैलासवासा
पतिपुरीश्वर हे परमेशा
त्रिपुरीश्वर हे परमेशा
पतिपुरीश्वर हे परमेशा
त्रिपुरीश्वर हे परमेशा
साईश्वर देवा
साईश्वर देवा
साईश्वर देवा
साईश्वर देवा
दीनानाथा शंकरा
दीनानाथा शंकरा
करुणासागर शंकरा
करुणासागर शंकरा
पतिपुरीश्वर शंकरा
त्रिपुरीश्वर शंकरा
भोलानाथा कैलासवासा
भोलानाथा कैलासवासा
पतिपुरीश्वर हे परमेशा
त्रिपुरीश्वर हे परमेशा
साईश्वर देवा
साईश्वर देवा
साईश्वर देवा
साईश्वर देवा
दीनानाथा शंकरा राम कृष्ण वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि
कृष्ण वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि
राम कृष्ण वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि
कृष्ण वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि
विश्वरूप 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 वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि
नारायण हरि हरि ओम 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 नारायण हरि हरि
विश्वरूप वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि
विश्वरूप वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि
विश्वरूप साई देव नारायण हरि हरि
विश्वरूप साई देव नारायण हरि हरि
राम कृष्ण वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि
कृष्ण वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि
विश्वरूप वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि
विश्वरूप वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि
नारायण हरि हरि ओम नारायण हरि हरि
नारायण हरि हरि ओम नारायण हरि हरि
विश्वरूप वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि
विश्वरूप वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि
विश्वरूप साई देव नारायण हरि हरि
विश्वरूप साई देव नारायण हरि हरि
राम कृष्ण वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि
Every minute, every day, every night.
every day, every night.
Every minute, every day, every night.
की जय।
पवन सुत हनुमान की जय।
पवन सुत हनुमान की जय।
पवन सुत हनुमान की जय।
सीतापति रामचंद्र की जय।
सीतापति रामचंद्र की जय।
सीतापति रामचंद्र की जय।
सीतापति रामचंद्र की जय।
पवन सुत हनुमान की जय।
पवन सुत हनुमान की जय।
पराक्रम आंजनेय 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 की जय।
पतिपुरी साईनाथ की जय।
पतिपुरी साईनाथ की जय।
पतिपुरी साईनाथ की जय।
पतिपुरी साईनाथ की जय।
पवन सुत हनुमान की जय।
पवन सुत हनुमान की जय।
सीतापति रामचंद्र की जय।
सीतापति रामचंद्र की जय।
सीतापति रामचंद्र की जय।
सीतापति रामचंद्र की जय।
पवन सुत हनुमान की जय।
पवन सुत हनुमान की जय।
पराक्रम आंजनेय 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 की जय।
पतिपुरी साईनाथ की जय।
पतिपुरी साईनाथ की जय।
पतिपुरी साईनाथ की जय।
पतिपुरी साईनाथ की जय।
पवन सुत हनुमान की जय।
अल्लाह अल्लाह करो पुकार।
अल्लाह अल्लाह करो पुकार।
अल्लाह अल्लाह करो पुकार।
अल्लाह अल्लाह करो पुकार।
सत्य साई की जय जयकार।
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 यीशु पिता 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 की जय जयकार।
महावीर की जय जयकार।
महावीर की जय जयकार।
महावीर की जय जयकार।
महावीर की जय जयकार।
जोराष्ट्र की जय जयकार।
सौराष्ट्र की जय जयकार।
जोराष्ट्र की जय जयकार।
सौराष्ट्र की जय जयकार।
सर्वधर्म की जय जयकार।
सर्वधर्म की जय जयकार।
सर्वधर्म की जय जयकार।
सर्वधर्म की जय जयकार।
अल्लाह अल्लाह करो पुकार।
अल्लाह अल्लाह करो पुकार।
सत्य साई की जय जयकार।
सत्य साई की जय जयकार।
यीशु पिता की जय जयकार।
यीशु पिता की जय जयकार।
महावीर की जय जयकार।
महावीर की जय जयकार।
सौराष्ट्र की जय जयकार,
सौराष्ट्र की जय जयकार,
सर्वधर्म की जय जयकार,
सर्वधर्म की जय जयकार,
सर्वधर्म की जय जयकार,
सर्वधर्म की जय जयकार।
अल्लाह अल्लाह करो पुकार।
गोविंद गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी, गोविंद गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी, गोविंद गोपाल हृदय बिहारी, गोविंद गोपाल हृदय बिहारी, गोविंद गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी, नंद कुमार नवनीत चोर, नंद कुमार नवनीत चोर, हृदय विकार बड़ा चित्त चोर, हृदय विकार बड़ा चित्त चोर, गोविंद गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी, गोविंद गोपाल हृदय विहारी, गोविंद गोपाल हृदय विहारी, गोविंद गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी, नंद कुमार नवनीत चोर, नंद कुमार नवनीत चोर, हृदय विहार बड़ा चित्त चोर, हृदय विहार बड़ा चित्त चोर, गोविंद गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी, प्रभु गिरिधारी।
Nothing pleases Baba more than a pure endeavor to reach out to the desolate and the needy. When this happens, he manifests in ways inconceivable and even dramatic. Melkavatti is a village 10 kilometers from Ooty in Tamil Nadu. It was adopted by Sai devotees of the region 3 years before Swami's 80th birthday as their birthday offering. But little did they realize that the divine hand had led them there to change their lives forever through a miracle. Members of the Ooty Sai Samiti began their service activities in the village in January 2003. They decided to first do an early morning Nagar Sankirtan around the picturesque village surrounded by mist-laden hills. After completing the bhajans, they visited every home in the village to give prasadam. It is then that they spotted a house at the end of a lane, dilapidated and consigned to oblivion. When they went there, they were shocked to sadness. On the damp, cold floor was lying an old lady. Wherever they looked, they saw around only abject poverty and neglect. Some villagers who had come along explained that she had been orphaned at an early age. The little plot of land she inherited was the only source of a meager income that kept her body and soul together. Her tragedy reached its zenith when at 30, suddenly she lost the use of both her arms and legs. Swami's devotees, hearing this, that very moment resolved to adopt and take care of that old lady. A cot, a mattress and blankets were brought immediately. She was lifted from the ragged sackcloth on the floor. Next, they drew a plan such that every day one of them would stay with the lady and look after her. Thus began a united offering of selflessness. Months rolled by and there was no decline in the enthusiasm of the service rendered. Their loving service now baffled the villagers. Eventually, the villagers themselves began to feel ashamed for neglecting her for so long. The village panchayat was convened and there was unanimous appreciation for the members of the Ooty Sai Samiti. These devotees, in fact, had to travel 20 kilometers from Ooty and back, but they never failed to perform their duty, be it rain or shine. Inspired by them, the villagers now decided that henceforth the lady would be their responsibility. 30 villagers came forward to care for her, one each day of the month. Slowly, there was a healthy competition, so they had to draw lots. All the days of the month were thus covered, and the specific date for each family was written on a piece of paper and offered to Bhagwan. The villagers also began to redo her house. They painted the walls, cemented the floor, and repaired the roof. They also began cooking her food in the renovated kitchen. Thus, the old lady was now eating food that was hot, a welcome change in Ooty's cold climate. Her dark, dismal house was thus transformed into a holy place for all noble activities. In Melkawati, the village that was earlier divided by selfishness came together in selflessness. In September 2004, the Samitis in the Nilgiris district had planned to conduct bhajans in 80 villages. The turn of Melkawati came along, and all the people in one voice opined that the bhajan should take place in her house. A well-decorated shamiana was erected in front of the lady's house and bhajans commenced with great devotional fervor. The entire village participated. The lady was listening to the bhajans from her room inside, and as she was doing this, suddenly something extraordinary happened. The old lady, who had no sensation in her hands and legs and had been confined to her bed for the past 20 years, all of a sudden raised herself and sat on the bed. Nobody helped her. In fact, no one was even aware of what was happening inside. She then slowly moved towards the place where bhajans were being sung. Everyone was so immersed in the bhajans that many did not even notice her until she reached the altar with her hands raised in gratitude and supplication to the Lord. She was dancing in ecstasy. A wave of shock jolted the crowd. Everyone was speechless. It is then that the 50-year-old lady revealed that Sai Baba had come in her dream the night before and massaged her hands and legs. And with that, her paralysis was gone forever. Everyone was stunned. Their delight knew no bounds. The village chief, a confirmed alcoholic, was so deeply shaken that he resolved then and there to never again touch a bottle of liquor. Baba entered this obscure little village through his devotees to perhaps demonstrate how unity and purity can draw the power and grace of divinity. And hasn't Baba reinforced this truth in each one of us too?
शान्तिः समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।
जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।